Your phone buzzes again. Another email. Your to-do list seems to have a life of its own. That constant pressure in the back of your mind is suffocating. You're not alone. 43% of adults feel more anxious than they did just last year. But what if you could find calm in the storm? What if you held the power to dial down that internal noise and respond to life's pressures with clarity and composure? Your breath is the most powerful tool for managing stress. By bringing gentle awareness to your inhales and exhales, you can directly influence how you think and feel. Mindful breathing isn't about achieving Zen or emptying your mind. It's about finding an anchor in the present moment. This portable sanctuary is accessible anywhere, anytime, whether you're waiting in line or facing a tough conversation. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, flooding you with stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. But you can flip the switch to rest and digest mode by stimulating the vagus nerve with slow, deep breaths, especially long exhales. This simple act calms your body, slows your heart rate, and releases tension. You're not just imagining it. You're flipping a real physical switch in your nervous system. Get comfortable, either sitting or lying down. Let your spine be long, shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Place your hands in your lap or on your belly. Give yourself permission to let go of your to-do list for a few minutes. This time is just for you. Notice the feeling of your body, the points of contact with the chair or floor. Bring your attention to your breath, observing the air flowing in and out. Notice the small details, the coolness of the air, the rise and fall of your chest and belly. Let's guide the breath together, taking slow, deep inhales and long, controlled exhales. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room, noticing the sounds and sensations. Feel the weight of your hands, the sensation in your feet and legs. Introduce gentle movement. Wiggle your fingers and toes, roll your shoulders. You now have a foundational tool, but let's explore more techniques. Box breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. Excellent for high anxiety moments. Physiological sigh. Take a deep inhale, followed by a quick sharp inhale and a long slow exhale. This resets your nervous system fast. Equal breathing. Inhale and exhale for the same length, bringing balance and tranquility to your system. This practice isn't another chore. It's a moment of refuge. Consistency is key. Just 5 minutes a day can build resilience and calm. You now have the power to meet life's chaos with clarity and composure. Carry this feeling with you, knowing your next calm breath is always waiting.